current trend in the automation industry. Like every person, like even the small industries to the big industries, the data, the information, and other things like the machine status, it's very important, like to reduce the downtime or and having a predictive maintenance, all these cases.
I have been into this industry with industrial automation for the past about 3-4 years, and predominantly we are into this domain of selling industrial automation devices along with certain softwares like protocol stacks and which are used in the industrial automation. E1, we wanted a good application which can combine with E1, and we can provide it as a bundle solution to our clients. So that's how we got in touch with SPIA and their team, and we have very much interested in their software, the i4 suite, and we found it to be very flexible and user-friendly in terms of configuration as well as in terms of the features that they're offering. And in fact, I believe their roadmap is also too strong, which is very much needed in the industry.
Now the previous generation is not tuned to that. Nowadays it is updating to the IIoT, and we also are more interested in IIoT related the integrations.
This i4 suite enables us to do that job actually. That is where the most important thing is, that all your tabs like the tools is as easy as doing a PLC program. We are familiar with this graphical programming languages. So similar way I was able to do it. That is where I find the advantage. Even setting the communication, doing the things, and making the graph and flow chart, all these things are very easier in this way. It is where I feel it is easy.
SPIA will help us to take to the next level of the control.